definitely. Yeah. In relation to the readings that I've had, I have noticed a profound shift in the face readings that I've had, but in the photos that I've had, the left and right dynamic, and there's a lot more balance between my left and right aspects than there was from the very first one. The very first one, I identified my left side, which is that internal aspect, the feminine self. I called her my angry Yugoslavian lady because she just looked very grumpy. And yet on the outside, in that external masculine perspective, I was portraying this very happy-go-lucky, strong, confident person. And I'm really happy to say that through the face reading, through the work, it's identified what I needed to work on, and obviously getting in touch with that female aspect and being a lot more softer and gentle with myself. I've enabled it to balance out, and so my last face split was a lot more congruent.